Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we're going to go over one of the channel's longest product sponsors, which is Super Clean. And this isn't a puff piece, this isn't to boost up Super Clean. I'm going to give you my honest long-term review. There's lots of channels out there that get a bottle or two and try it out and oh, it did this one little project, but normally that one little project, that one little area that they clean doesn't really explain or show the long-term use and experience out of this cleaner. And today we're going to talk long-term review. I've had Super Clean in my garage for a couple years now. My parents have it in their garage, and we're going to go over all of that here in just a moment. Before we do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like if you enjoy this type of content. Also make sure to check us out on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. I do not have this video scripted in any way whatsoever. I have a few bullet points to hit, but I'm just gonna talk freely and just give an honest long-term review of my experiences using these cleaners. And we're gonna start with the canned stuff, this aerosol. If I could, I would just have a huge rack of that. That's what I use most of the time. That's the stuff that gets used up the fastest. That stuff's awesome, it's easy to use. When you're doing big projects, you're not sitting there squeezing the bottle like 1,000 times, you just hit the top and go. I know that sounds a little bit nitpicky, but I love having it in the aerosol can. If I could just have a giant rack of the aerosol stuff, I'd be more than happy. The foaming stuff is really nice because you can kind of see where you're spraying it. I use the foaming all the time. That's the next thing to run out in terms of how fast the products go. The concentrate itself, because you dilute it down for other projects, so if you're cleaning the inside of your house, for example, you don't want to use it full strength. Use it full strength for stuff that's like really intense. Oil in the concrete, your toaster oven tray that hasn't been cleaned in 5 or 6 years. Things that are really intense, not just, oh, I need to wipe down this countertop. And so the concentrate goes a really, really, really long way. And the one that I'm missing on the end here is the wheel cleaner. And that's very similar to the foaming, except for it's designed for wheels and exhaust tips and things like that. And I've been really happy with that one. So I'm gonna show off some projects. Obviously you'll be seeing B-roll throughout this whole monologue here, showing off some of the projects we've done. Cleaned a pair of boots, I've done wheels, I cleaned the garage floor. In fact, I did that footage today. Just wanted to show off like how good this stuff was. I sprayed it right over oil. Like I had oil on the floor and just sprayed this over it, left it for 5-10 minutes, and then power washed it back off. It came out of the concrete like it was never there to begin with, and looks absolutely fantastic. This is obviously my go-to stuff. Every single time something happens I need to clean up. Realistically, this stuff isn't even that expensive. So if you're gonna be using it for everyday stuff, I love the aerosol, but the concentrate's probably what you're gonna need to go for. This will go, like if you bought a bottle of this and you were using it regularly, it would still last you over a year. Like it takes me a long time to get through the concentrate because you need to dilute it for other projects. And so if you're wanting to do the best bang for your buck, the concentrate's the way to go. If you're wanting to be simple, easy, let's just get it cleaned up, I don't really care, I'll just go buy more stuff, aerosol. I've also used in the past Super Clean's Floor Dry, and that works really, really, really well. And I was able to actually reuse it several times, so I was able to clean up a mess, scoop it up and put it to the side, and then put it on some more messes. I've never like spilt enough fluid that it like completely ruined the Floor Dry. I was able to just reuse it over and over again until eventually it just kind of got gross and wasn't really soaking up as much. But I've never like had like a, you know, like spilt like 1.5 gallons of coolant and had to use the entire thing of the Floor Dry. I'm currently out of the Floor Dry now, but that one thing that I got of it took a long time to run through, and it soaked up really well, absorbed everything that I ever threw at it, and I was very happy with that as well. So if you're looking at that, so if you've seen that on the store shelves, that's another product that's really good and that I recommend as well. Realistically, every single garage would have the whole arsenal. You'd have a couple of each one of these, and it doesn't matter what task it is, you've got one for the occasion. Buy a couple extra bottles so that you can have different solutions of the concentrate. all the way from I'm going to use this to clean the leather before adding some leather treatment to it, all the way up to the full strength stuff. I think that I've got a couple bottles that are inside, but they're just like some white bottles that I've written, you know, super clean, and then I've written the dilution ratio down on them, and I think I've got 3 of them, but they're mostly for inside. Most of the time out here, this is what ends up getting used out in the garage. A lot of the diluted stuff ends up being, you know, interior stuff on the cars. But I don't do a lot of interior cleaning on the race cars. I probably should spend some time doing that. But yeah, most of that ends up being inside the house, washing countertops and floors and things like that. So as always, I'll have the link to these products down in the description below. And I just wanted to talk today on some of those experiences and show some of this B-roll footage. I haven't shown most of this on my channel. I'll collect it and then I'll forget to post things. And I'm really bad at that. I've got lots of stuff on that I should be posting, like Instagram or even YouTube Shorts, and I just never get around to doing it. I'm really bad at doing that. And then I'll find content on my phone that I'm like, oh shoot, I probably should have posted that. Even if Super Clean wasn't helping out the channel by sending products like these, I just, at this point, I don't see myself not having at least one of the mini cleaners that they have, at least one of them around the garage. And I really appreciate them for helping us out here. I know that a lot of product sponsorships and things like that get kind of like a little bit annoying to hear about, and it just sounds like everybody's shilling for everybody else. And for a smaller channel like me, the income that I get off of YouTube can get chewed up really easily by buying cleaners and buying garage supplies and tools, and little things just kind of nitpick at your budget the entire time, and building race cars is unbelievably expensive. And so it's nice to just be able to go, you know, some of these things, I'm going to let these companies help us out, and I'll be true to my word. If I didn't like something, I'd say it. If I didn't like something and they sent it to me and I kind of just did like the first, like, yeah, you know, it's kind of decent, it's okay, I wouldn't continue to put their stuff up and talk about it if I didn't like them. You know, that's just how it is. If you send me something and I don't like it, I'm going to tell you guys. I'll be honest about it. I'm not going to lie and make it sound like it's something that it isn't. This is everything that you think it is and that you've heard about. It's really good stuff. It's a very good price point. Most cleaners kind of just have like a price range, and this sits right in the middle of everything, and I think it's worth it every day of the week. So I really appreciate everybody so much for watching. Again, everything will be linked down in the description below. Thanks Super Clean for helping us out here. Everybody that's watching this, you need to thank Super Clean for helping us out, because again, it's just another couple bucks every month that I get to spend building race cars and having fun and showing you guys DIYs, versus getting my budget nickeled and dimed to death with supporting purchases. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see everybody in the next video.
Bam!